This is Vanguard Live. I am Omeza Jai in Abuja. You're welcome back to the continuation of the announcement of presidential election results.
Okay, Ondo, ready or?
We have Ondo State here now.
The scope is ready. Okay, you need a few minutes. Can we have a projection of the Ondo results?
Like we said, this is Ondo State, the 6th state that will be making presentation. Very shortly, the state collation officer will be announcing the results.
I don't know if another one. Please call Monday.
On the all set, or you have the original result? You should present from the original spreadsheet. Okay. And the result is projected. Ready, scope?
Yes, we are ready.
So please introduce yourself and the person that accompanied you, and then you go ahead to make your presentation.
I am Kayode Shoremeku, Vice Chancellor of Federal University, Oye-Ekiti. And on my left is Dr. Ambassador Oluwatoyin Akeju, who is the resident electoral commissioner for Ondo State. The state of assignment happens to be Ondo State. Total number of LGS is 18. Total number of registered voters is 1,802,567. Total number. Total number of registered voters is 1,802,567.
$802 or 812?
Okay. 1,812,567. Total number of registered voters. Total number of accredited voters, 598,586. That is 598,586. We'll now proceed to speak to the votes scored by the various parties. Party A.
Please call Monday. Call Monday. Call Monday.
Party A, 55 votes. No. Okay. Total number of votes scored by Party A, 507. 507. Total number of votes scored by Party AA, 4,349. 4349. AAC, 4,414. 4414. AAP, 564. 564. ABP, 147. 147. ACD, 576. 576. ACPN, 414. 414. ADC, 6,206.
Check the figure again.
6,296. 6296. ADP, 1,005. AGA, 94. 94. AGAP, 39. 39. ANDP, 101. 101. ANN, 311. ANP, 100. 100. ANRP, 124. APA, 717. APC, 241,769. 769. APDA 588. APGA 90. APM 99. APP 141. ASD 76. AUN 39. BNPP 290. CAP 135. CC 100.
Scope.
CAP
Just a minute.
290.
Just a minute, Scope. Can you go back to ASD and take it from there? Just repeat ASD, tell us the figure, and you proceed from there.
ASD 76.
Good.
AUN 39. BNPP 290. CAP 135. CAP 51. CC 77.
I think
CC 51.
I think at this point, Scope and the REC, you need to go and reconcile those figures. You can be invited to represent. It appears that the columns have been switched off somewhat. Is it a question of using a ruler? Is it a question of more light? Do you need more light to see? It's light. Collation officer, do you need additional light? You need a ruler, not light now. Okay. You need a ruler?
Yes, a ruler will be needed.
Okay. The problem of the collection officer is not light, but ruler.
Exactly.
Secretariat, can we have a ruler?
Sir, if you can provide both, we assist.
If I can provide both,
Yes.
both additional light
Like
and
a
ruler.
lamp or something.
Okay. Are we set, Kogi?
We are very set.
Okay, please introduce.
My name is Professor M.U. Adiku, the Vice Chancellor, University of Abuja. And I was the collation officer for Kogi. Total number of local governments, 21. Total number of accredited voters, 164 0449. 164 0449. That's registered voters.
Okay.
Number of accredited voters 570-773. 570-773. Now the parties and their scores. A 328. A 328. AA 83. AA 83. AAC 250. AAC 250. AAP 134. AAP 134. ABP 64. ABP 64. ACD 340. ACD 340. ACPN 204. ACPN 204. ADC 4369. ADC 4369. ADP 499. ADP 499. AGA 68. AGA 68. AGAP 32. AGAP 32. ANDP 194. ANDP 194. ANN 89. ANN 89. ANP 65. ANP 65. ANRP 54. ANRP 54. APA 534. APA 534. APC 285 894. 285 894. APDA 480. APDA 480. APGA 318. APGA 318. APM 73. APM 73. APP 58. APP 58. ASD 28. ASD 28. AUN 9. AUN 9. BNPP 11. BNPP 11. CAP 12. CAP 12. CC 29. CC 29. CNP 24. CNP 24. DA 47. DA 47. DPC 83, DPC 83, DPP 250, DPP 250, Fresh 59, Fresh 59, FJP 47, FJP 47, GDPN 443, GDPN 443, GPN 60, GPN 60, HDP 18, HDP 18, ID 21, ID 21, JMPP 33, JMPP 33, KP 32, KP 32, LM 31, LM 31, LP 68, LP 68, MA 40, MA 40, MNN 311, MMN.
Collation officer, go back to the last one that you said MA. Is it MA?
MAJA
Aha.
40, MAJA 40, MMN 311, MPN 43, MPN 43, NAC 22, NAC 22, NCMP 27, NCMP 27, NCP 32, NDCP 11, NDLP 13, NDLP 13, NEPP 12, NEPP 12, NFD 87, NFD 87, NIP 36, NIP 36, NNP 103, NNPP 103, MPC 154, NPC 154, NRM 49, NRM 49, NUP 102, NUP 102, PCP 2207, PCP 2207, PDP 218207, PDP 218207, PPA 436, PPA 436, PPC 234, PPC 234, PPN 116, PPN 116, PT 41, PT 41, RAP 44, RAP 44, RNBP, RBNP, RBNP 79, RBNP 79, RP 43, RP 43, SDP 226, SDP 226, SNC.
Go back to SDP. What's the figure?
SDP 226, 2226, SNC 646, SNP 78, UDP 34, UDP 34, UP 20, UPN 16, WTPN 8, YES 17, YPP 87. Now, problem areas.
Go ahead.
Well, from our various local governments, we had Adavi in 3 polling units, number of registered voters 1216. Ankpa in 12 polling units 11231. Basa in 9 polling units 6068. In Dekina in 9 polling units 41040. Ibaji in 10 polling units 5972. In Ida 1 polling unit 345. Igalamela 23 polling units 11408. In Kababunu 2 polling units 1007. In Kogi KK, in 1 polling unit 691. In Ofu, 10 polling units 7564. In Ogorimagongo, 8 polling units 2193. And then in Olamaburu, in 1 polling unit 366. Total 89101.
CO, can you explain why all these problems and the reasons, particularly in Dekina, which affected 69 polling units?
Yes, we were told that we are a lot of hostilities. And in fact, one or two persons were killed. Because of that, many people refused to come out to vote. In fact, if you look at the total number of registered voters for that local government, we had over 162,000. Only 37,000 could be accounted for. Accredited voters because of these reasons. So there were a lot of difficulties.
Okay, I hope you have come with reports from the EOs or those who are involved in elections in those locations.
Yes.
And you are going to submit the reports?
Okay. Those reports we brought.
Okay. But for completeness of record, please, can you tell us the total valid votes, rejected votes, and total votes cast again, just for the completeness of our own record?
Total valid votes, 521,016. Total valid votes. Rejected votes, 32,480. Then total votes cast, 553,496.
Okay. Okay, can you please repeat the figures again slowly?
Yeah. Total valid votes, 521,016. 521,016. Rejected votes, 32,480. Rejected votes, 32,480. Total votes that were cast, 553,496.
Okay, thank you very much. Can you come forward and present the original of your report along with those reports from the local governments where election could not hold and the explanation, the reasons? Is Ondo ready now?
Gombe is ready.
Or Gombe?
Gombe is ready. Sure.
Okay, if Ondo is not ready, we'll take Gombe as soon as we are done with Kogi. But please come forward and present. Yeah, we need the reports from those locations where elections could not hold, so that we'll study the reasons why before we finalize on the results.
Gombe, please.
Gombe.
Correct. Introduce yourself, then hand over to the scope. Introduce yourself, then hand over to the scope.
The state collation officer should introduce himself and the person accompanying him, and should go forward to present the results for Gombe State.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chairman and members of the panel. My name is Kari Mohammed. I'm the Vice Chancellor of Modibo Adama University of Technology, Yola. I covered Gombe State as a scope. Gombe State has 11 local government areas. Total number of registered voters, 1,385,191. 1,385,191. 1,385,191. Total number of accredited voters, 604,240. 604,240. 604,240. The votes cast by political parties: A 73, AA 52, AAC 165, AAP 157, ABP 912, ACD 233, ACPN 732, ADC 248.
Can you go back to ACPN?
AC
The figure twice.
ACPN 73.
Go ahead.
ADC 248. ADP 135. AGA 102. AGAP 39. ANDP 62. ANN 78. ANP 59. ANRP 116. APA 925. APC 402961. 402961. 402,961. APDA 515. 515. APGA 124. APM 54. 54. APP 56, ASD 33, AUN 32, BNPP 32, CAP 28, CC 145, CNP 52, DA 40, DPC 120, DPP 404, Fresh 145, FJP 168, GDPN 1392, GPN 171, HDP 52, ID 45, JMPP 59, KP 57, LM 36, LP 41, Maja 164. You said? Okay, sorry, 104. 104 for Maja. 104. MMN 511. MPN 91. NAC 34. NCMP 19. NCP 69. NDCP 18. NDLP 30. NEPP 20. NFD 88. NIP 56. NNPP 133. NPC 172. NRM 92. NUP 166. PCP 1679. PDP 138484. 138,484. PPA 407. PPC 191. PPN 125. PT 67. RAP 71. RBNP 36. RP 26. SDP 248. SNC 823, 823. SNP 95, 95. UDP 34, 34. UP 7, 7. UPN 38, 38. WTPN 7, 7. YES 32, 32. YPP 39, 39. Total number of valid votes 554,203, 554,203, 554,203. Rejected votes 26,446, 26,446, 26,446. Total votes cast 580,649, 580,649, 580,649. Mr. Chairman, sir, we have problem areas in 2 local governments. Balanga, code 02, 11 polling units affected. Number of registered voters affected, 6,308, 6308.
Did you say how many polling units affected?
11 polling units in Balanga.
Not 2.
Not 2, sir. We had a problem of transporting from Arabic to Roman, so I think that was why we got the mistake. 11 units in Balanga, 6308. In Duku, code 04, 2 polling units affected, 782 votes, giving a total of 7090, 7090.
And how many polling units in all?
13 polling units in all. No? Yeah, 13 polling units in all.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, that was the presentation for Gombe State.
Okay, thank you very
shortly,
much.
Ondo
Is
will
Ondo
be called.
ready now?
It appears Ondo State.
Collation Secretariat is Ondo ready? If Ondo is still not ready, do you have any other state? Okay, it appears that Ondo will require at least 20 minutes with the ruler and the additional illumination, while also any moment from now we're expecting 2 more states to come to arrive Abuja. Okay, it's now 25 minutes to 7. We'll grant Ondo the 20 minutes required. We hope also by the time they are ready, we'll have 2 additional states. So we'll adjourn again and reconvene at 8 p.m. We'll reconvene at 8 p.m. Thank you.